I'm Stephen Proffitt, manager of the Overhead Construction Department here at KUB. Most of the time in a restoration process, it's very similar regardless of the event or the size of the event. Our philosophy is we've got to get our main infrastructure back up and running. That's our substations, transmission lines. Then we work through our three-phase distribution, similar to the job that you can see going on behind me now. And then we work all the way down to those single customer outages, or those one people that are affected by that particular outage. The outages themselves, or the events themselves, differ. Obviously, what has caused the event? Is it snow, ice? Is it thunderstorms? How many events do we have? That's a variable that's hard to determine till we get into the midst of the storm and do assessment. Also, we're looking at, is that widespread? Is it localized? We start with assessment. We've got to figure out what's wrong on the system, and at that point we start deploying resources to make repairs. Again, our goal is to have all assessment done within 24 hours of the onset of the event, and at that time we're making decisions about how many resources we need. Do we have enough in-house to take care of the event? Are we going to be reaching out to those contractors that we use on the system every day to add additional resources, up to and including even reaching out to sister utilities to help us bring in more resources to get the restoration event complete? Often, if you view our outage map, you'll notice different colored dots. All of those dots represent a different number of customers that are out. Those dots play a significant role in which jobs that we go to first. Down to those last dots, which are black in color, oftentimes and unfortunately, those in certain situations, most of the time actually, will be some of the last jobs that we're able to work in any type of restoration event. We're wanting to try to allocate our resources and get those jobs worked that get the most customers back on as quickly and safely as we possibly can.